some will say it's not even funny, and there you stand, not even trying. They say it is in line with the aging. Sometimes noise is just your mind, and the lesson is vague, and the lightning shows the deer with their mind on the moor. And how something with the sun is just different since they shook the earth in 1904. And as I lower down, I hear it's a message, and it's 1902, just telling people to get out. And if there was just a way I could tell them, it's been long, but you are right. And the singing is slow and so quiet, like the sound when you sweep off the floor. And how something with the dirt is just different since they shook the earth in 1904. But the bridge is high, something passing by, I was sure. And the only one you can tell it to, well, it's the only one you'll ever know. And since one rock was made to go through my window, here is something so strange and something louder than before. And you're living with no light or direction, damn precise, and now you know. When believing is hard, but you go now, and you feel what you drag across the floor. Because something with these trails, they're just different since they shook the earth in 1904. Something passing by, I was sure. And the only one you can tell it to, well, it's the only one you'll ever know. And some will say it's not even healthy, but body is young and mind is sure. That something is alright with you thinking, 'cause they shook the earth in 1904. There is a crow moon coming in where you keep looking now. It is the hollow month of March now sweeping in. Let's watch phenomenons to rise out of the darkness now. Within the light, she is my storm and heroine. And old machines abandoned by the ancient races stand. I hear them humming down below in hollow earth. Oh hell, I guess I know no while I will go under too. But just for now,